October month is here, and I am back once again with the job openings, hiring process for the job profile of cabin crew in the Indigo Airlines. Hello everyone, I'm Lavanya, and you are watching the Lavanya Tube. This channel, Lavanya Tube, has always tried its best to update all the information, to update you with all the important things that is possible ASAP, as soon as possible. And let's get into this video and check out that what is the venue and what is the date of your nearest. Huh? Let's once again. So let's check out the nearest venue where you are going to give your cabin crew interview. So I'll be starting with 3rd October because I'm already making this video on 1st October. Today is 1st of October. So I'll be telling you from the 3rd October. Okay. So the first interview event is on 3rd October. That is, the timing is from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. in Delhi. Okay, the address is Hotel Swellet Suites, Select City Walk Mall, A3, Saket, District Center, Sector 6, Saket, New Delhi. I'll repeat once again. Address to ठीक है. I'll tell you the venue once again. 3rd October. Timing 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Delhi. Okay. The second interview is on 4th of the October. Timing is again the same, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location is Kalimpong. Okay. Address is Summit Lilium Hotel and Spa, Kalimpong, 8.5 miles, Atista Road, Kalimpong, Khas Mahal, Kalimpong, West Bengal. Okay, so this interview on 4th October, it is in West Bengal, Kalimpong. So girls, go there. If you are also waiting for if you are also waiting कि आपकी सिटी में कब हायरिंग प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होगी, तो इट्स द टाइम. जस्ट गो, गिव योर इंटरव्यू, गिव योर बेस्ट. So the next event is on 4th October. Timing is 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location is Bangalore, and address is Hotel Zone by the Park, 66 Infantry Road, Bangalore. I'll be repeating once again. Date 4th October, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location Bangalore. Address Hotel Zone by Park, 66 Infantry Road, Bangalore. Okay, the next interview is on 5th of October. Timing from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location is Pune. 5th October, timing 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. in Pune, and address is Hotel Park Estate, 198 1/1A Nagar Road, Clover Park, Viman Nagar, Pune, Maharashtra. ठीक है. So next date is 5th October again, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Lucknow, my state. Okay, my city. Location Lucknow. Address Hotel Ramada, Kanpur Road, Junabganj, Kati, Bagia, Uttar Pradesh. ठीक है. So 5th October को 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. it is in Lucknow, Hotel Ramada. Next, once again 5th को फिर से है 9:30 to 12:30. Location Bombay. ठीक. 5th October, 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Location is Bombay. Address Hotel Residency, 213/1 213/1 Suren Road, Gundavali, Andheri, Mumbai. Okay. Next event 5th October, once again on 5th October, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Guwahati. गुवाहाटी में है नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू. 5th October to 8 a.m. to 5th October को है गुवाहाटी में, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Address I'll tell you. Hotel Pragati Manor, GS Road, Christian Basti, Guwahati, Assam. Okay. So next, again on 5th October, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location Kochi. Address Hotel Airlink NH47 near Kochi International Airport, Athani Nedumbassery, Kochi, Kerala. ठीक है. Again, next date 6th October. Timing is from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. Location Gurgaon. 6th October 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Gurgaon. And the address will be Hotel Fortune Select Global Arcade, Mehrauli, Gurgaon, Gurugram, Haryana. ठीक है. Next 6th October, timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Calcutta. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Calcutta. Date is 6th October. And the address will be Hotel O2 641 VIP Road, Ramkrishna Palli, Kekhali, Kolkata, West Bengal. Next event is date 6th October once again. Timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Aswal. 6th October 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Aswal. Address will be Hotel Ajwal Club, Treasury Square near Tennis Court, Aswal. Next location 6th October को है फिर से. Timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Chandigarh. Address is Hotel Turquoise, 29/7 Chandigarh Road, Industrial Area, Phase 2, Chandigarh. ठीक है. Next 6th October, timing from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Bagdogra. Address will be Hotel Singhalila Club, Uttora Township, opposite Gosaipur Checkpost, Bagdogra, Siliguri. Next interview on 7th of October, timing from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. again in Delhi. Okay, 7th October, timing 11 a.m. to 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Delhi. Address will be Hotel Car Works, Aerocity World Mark 1, Tower A, Delhi. 9th October, timing 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Jammu. 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in Jammu. Date is 9th of the October. Address Hotel Lords Inn, BC Road near bus stand, Jammu. Next will be again on 9 October. Timing will be 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Location Deempore. Address Hotel Lake Shilloi, Clock Tower above Vishal Mega Mart near Circular Road, Churches Colony, NST Colony, Dimapur, Nagaland. Now 10th of October, timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Delhi. Address Hotel Swelt Suits, Select City Walk Mall, A3, Saket District Center, Sector 6, Saket, New Delhi, Delhi. Okay. Again on 10th October, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Nagpur. Hotel Regenta Central and Convention, 230 Gangabai Ghat Road near Nag Road, Jagnade Square, Nandanvan, Nagpur, Maharashtra. ठीक है. Next, again on 10th of the October, that is in Jaipur, from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Address will be Hotel Lemon Tree Premier, behind Inox Cinema, Sindhi Colony, Bunny Park, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay, so now 11th October, timing will be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location Bangalore. Address Hotel Zone by the Park, 66 Infantry Road, Bangalore. Next 11th October को फिर से है from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. in Ahmedabad. Hotel Comfort Inn, Airport Circle, Ahmedabad Airport, Exit Road, Sardar Nagar, Hansol, Ahmedabad. Again on 11th of October, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Calcutta. Address will be Hotel O2, 641 VIP Road, Ramkrishnapalli, Kakhali, Kolkata, West Bengal. Again on 11th October, that is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Dehradun. Address will be Hotel Red Fox, 973 by 4 by 113, Rajpur Road, Dehradun. Now 12th October, timing will be 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location Bagdogra. Address Hotel Lemon Tree, 3rd and 4th Crescent Tower, Sivok Road near Vega Mall, 3rd mile, Banking Nagar, Siliguri, West Bengal. 12th अक्टूबर को फिर से है हैदराबाद में फ्रॉम 9 AM to 12 PM हैदराबाद. होटल रेडिसन ब्लू 8 by 2 by 406 रोड नंबर 6 ग्रीन वैली बंजारा हिल्स हैदराबाद तेलंगाना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 13th अक्टूबर 8 AM to 11 AM लोकेशन इंदौर. एड्रेस होटल लेमन ट्री 3 RNT मार्ग साउथ तुकोगंज इंदौर मध्य प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट वंस अगैन 13th को है दार्जिलिंग में एंड द टाइमिंग विल बी फ्रॉम 9 AM to 12 PM. ठीक है. 13th को दार्जिलिंग में. एड्रेस विल बी होटल रमादा ऑकलैंड विला बिफोर BSNL बिल्डिंग गांधी रोड लिंबू गांव दार्जिलिंग वेस्ट बंगाल. Again on 13th of the October, it's in Guwahati and timing will be 9 AM to 12 PM. Address Hotel Ratnamoli Palace, BN Salkia Road, Basistha, Charali, Beltola, Tini Ali, Guwahati, Assam. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, once again. So again 13th October को है बॉम्बे में एंड टाइमिंग विल बी फ्रॉम 9 AM to 12 PM एंड एड्रेस विल बी होटल रेजिडेंसी 213 बाय सुरेन रोड 213/1 बाय सुरेन रोड गुंदावली अंधेरी. ठीक है. होटल रेजिडेंसी में है मुंबई को 13th अक्टूबर. ओके. सो आगे बढ़ने से पहले लेट मी टेल यू गाइस कि अभी मैं 29 सितंबर को लखनऊ में गई थी. इंडिगो की हायरिंग प्रोसेस थी फॉर द जॉब प्रोफाइल ऑफ कैबिन क्रू एंड आई वेंट टू रमादा. द वेन्यू वाज रमादा एंड इट वाज द मोस्ट हैपनिंग. आई मीन इंटरव्यू भी बहुत अच्छा रहा एंड आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज मेरा इंटरव्यू बहुत अच्छा हुआ और आई क्लियर्ड ऑल द राउंड्स एवरीथिंग. And everything was really I really had a very good experience and I'll be sharing my interview experience and whatever questions that they had asked me and everything I'll be sharing you and I'll be making a experience video on that. Secondly, I would like to tell you that when I entered the venue there were a lot of girls in the waiting period but literally I really had fan moments there. So many of subscribers were there and I met them and they recognized me and they were like, hi, you're Lavanya, ye wo. This is the best feeling. Trust me, ye meri best feeling thi and this is something that I have earned. अभी मेरा YouTube channel इतना नहीं ग्रो हुआ है बट स्टिल इफ़ पीपल आर रिकग्नाइजिंग मी एंड दे आर सेइंग कि यू आर मेकिंग वेरी नाइस वीडियोज़ एंड योर वीडियोज़ आर हेल्पिंग अस देन दैट इज़ द रियल थिंग दैट आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ऑल द गर्ल्स जो मुझे वहाँ पे मिली और एंड यू मेड मी फील सो स्पेशल एंड I'm really very happy and really speechless but थैंक्स गिविंग स्पीच तो बनती है ना. तो हाँ दिस वॉज इट. हो गया बस. ज़्यादा थैंक्स गिविंग नहीं करना मुझे. और अगर आपको GD क्वेश्चंस जो भी रिसेंटली पूछे गए हैं मैंने उसकी एक अलग से वीडियो बनाई है. यू कैन चेक इट आउट और मैं उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. और लेट मी टेल यू दैट कैबिन क्रू सीरीज़ है मेरी जिसमें मैं कैबिन क्रू से रिलेटेड जो भी हायरिंग डिटेल्स होते हैं या जो भी मेरे इंटरव्यू के आज तक एक्सपीरियंस रहे हैं या स्कार्स एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशंस ब्ला 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 सभी राउंड्स क्या हैं कैसे है इन सब से रिलेटेड जो भी डिटेल्स हैं सैलरी पासपोर्ट everything that I have mentioned and I have made a separate video, detailed video of all those topics, so you can definitely visit them. So That's it. So 14th October 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Noida. Hotel Fortune, plot number 1A NR Indo Gulf Hospital, I Block, Sector 22, Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Next date 14th October once again, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Location Delhi. Hotel Carworks Aero City, World Mark 1, Tower A, Delhi. Date 16th October, timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Lucknow once again. Girls, get ready. Hotel Ramada, Kanpur, Lucknow Road, Junabganj, Kati, Bagia, Uttar Pradesh. 16th October, next venue will be Kalimpong. Timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Address will be Hotel Summit Lilium Hotel and Spa, Kalimpong, 8.5 miles, Atista Road, Kalimpong, Kash Mahal, Kalimpong, West Bengal. Next will be 17th October, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location will be Shillong. Hotel Polo Towers, Polo Grounds, Shillong, Meghalaya. So 17th October, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Delhi. Hotel Zone Connect, Saket, Delhi. A1 DLF South Core District Center, Saket, Delhi. Next will be 18th October from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Location will be Bangalore. Address Hotel Zone by the Park, 66 Infantry Road, Bangalore. Next 18th October, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Jammu. And address will be Hotel Lemon Tree, Channi Rama, opposite railway station exit gate, Jammu and Jammu Kashmir. Jammu Kashmir. 18th October को फिर से है गुवाहाटी में. Timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Address will be Hotel Pragati Manor, GS Road, Christian Basti, Guwahati. Next 19th October, that is timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Gangtok, and address will be Hotel Fern Denzong, Kazi Road, Vishal Gaon, Gangtok, Sikkim. Next is again 19th October, Bombay, from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Address Hotel Mirage, Andheri, Kurla Road, Navpada, Marol, Andheri East, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next again 19th October, and this time it's in Assam. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Silchar. Address Hotel Catcher Club, NH54, Club Road, Tarapur, Silchar, Assam. ठीक है. Hotel address is I'll be repeating the address once again. Hotel Kachar, CACHAR, Kachar Club, NH54, Club Road, Tarapur, Silchar, Assam. So next interview date 19th October. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Chandigarh. Hotel Turquoise, 29/7 Chandigarh Road, Industrial Area, Phase 2, Chandigarh. Next date 20th October, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Calcutta. Address Hotel O241, VIP Road, Ramakrishna Palli, Kakali, Kolkata, West Bengal. Next date is 21st October. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Gurgaon. Address Hotel Fortune Select Global Arcade, Mehrauli, Gurgaon Road, Gurugram, Haryana. Next 21st October, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Location Delhi. Address Hotel Zone Connect, Saket, Delhi. A1 DLF South Court District Center, Saket, Delhi, India. ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा ना कि वीडियो की स्पीड किसी ने बढ़ा दी है और मैं जल्दी जल्दी बोल रही हूँ. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay. So again 25th October, timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Jaipur. Address Hotel Lemon Tree Premier behind Inox Cinema, Sindhi Colony, Bani Park, जयपुर, राजस्थान. मैं फिर से 1x की स्पीड में ही चल लूँगी. मैं बीच में 2x हो गई थी, अभी फिर से 1x. एनर्जी आ गई थी. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरव्यू 26 अक्टूबर. लोकेशन बॉम्बे. Timing will be 10:30 to 1:30 p.m. Hotel Mirage, Andheri, Kurla Road, Navpada, Marol, Andheri East, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next 26th October को पुणे में है and timing will be 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Address Hotel Park, Astique, 1981 by 1A, Nagar Road, Clover Park, Viman Nagar, Pune, Maharashtra. Next 27th October 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Calcutta. Address will be Hotel O2, 641 VIP Road, Ramakrishna Palli, Kakhali, Kolkata, West Bengal. Next 27th October को है अहमदाबाद में. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Address Hotel Comfort Inn, Airport Circle, Ahmedabad Airport Exit Road, Sardar Nagar, Hansol, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Next interview is on 27th October 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Darjeeling. Address Hotel Ramada 2-3 Auckland Villa before BSNL Building, Gandhi Road, Limbu Gaon, Darjeeling, West Bengal. Next is on 28th October, location Delhi. Timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Address Hotel Zone Connect, Saket, Delhi. That is in District Center, Saket, Delhi. Okay. Next is 30th October. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Bombay. And address will be Hotel Residency 21/3/1 Suren Road, Gundavali, Andheri, Mumbai. So next date is again on 30 October. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and location Chandigarh. Address Hotel Torquash, 29/7 Chandigarh Road, Industrial Area, Phase 2, Chandigarh. Next interview is on 31st October. Timing will be 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and location Delhi. Address Hotel Zone Connect, Saket, Delhi, A1 DLF South Code, District Center, Saket, Delhi. Delhi, 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 Delhi. Chalo. Next 31st October, time 9 a.m. Timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Location Shillong. Hotel Polo Towers, Polo Ground, Shillong, Meghalaya. Last venue, last date is again on 31st October, that is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Location Amritsar and address Hotel Sarovar Portico, 369 Green Avenue near District Shopping Complex, Ranjit Venue, Amritsar, Punjab. So these are the vacancies that are mentioned, and you can go and give your interviews on the nearest venue. Okay. So if you're also unaware that what is the interview process, hiring process of Indigo and how to give the interview, what are the rounds, कितने rounds होते हैं, क्या क्या rounds में होता है, क्या क्या questions पूछे जाते हैं, किस तरीके से conduct होता है, anything regarding this, then you can definitely check out my playlist, that is Cabin Crew series, जिसमें सब कुछ mentioned है और आपके सारे doubts clear हो जाएंगे. And still, if you want to ask something or you want to you have any doubts, you can definitely comment me on the comment section. I'll be trying my best to solve the queries. And so guys, thank you so much for loving me and giving me so much love that you gave me. I'm really blessed to have that. And keep watching the channel, and I'll be back once again with my experience video in which I went to the Ramada. 29th September को मैं रमादा गई थी दिल्ली इंटरव्यू देने, and I cleared 4th round also. 4 round तक मैंने किया है. So I'll be sharing all my details and everything, whatever questions that were asked, everything I'll be sharing with you all, and I'll be making a separate video. Till then, you have to just stay, you have to be ट्यून्ड विद द चैनल और कहीं जाना नहीं है, ठीक है. सो आई विल बी बैक वेरी सून. So take care and love you and keep watching Lavanya too.